Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, July 15th, 2011. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 4 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, options expiration Friday, we opened at 1312, and we did have a high probability half gap fill setting up. We came down through our moving average. We had a signal to get short. That signal came back. We were able to get our first contract off. We hit our target to the tick, and our entry was adjusted, and we ended up getting stopped out to the tick, only to see it go on to reach targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside. So unfortunate on the stop out after we adjusted our stop, but you know, that's trading. So the first trade of the day, although it did go to fill its half gap, we ended up getting stopped out after our first contract. We pushed down to the 4:15 close, and then the news came out at 9:55. It initially went down, but then came very quickly up, and when you have all those green bars that are going parabolic, you look for an extension. We had an extension entry, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 5 ticks. And after we pushed up near the Globex high, just past the open there, the market came back down through the moving average, gave signal entry to get short just underneath the moving average there. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 15 ticks as we pushed down through the 4 o'clock close. And then we fought with 1303 for a while, just back and forth, and the support was just amazing there. The market did not give it up, came through the moving average at the 10:45 confirmation time, had another extension, all the green bars, that ended up producing targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 5 ticks. And then we had a signal to get short, and unfortunately for us on this little rotation, we just got flat ran over. Full stop out, T0 minus on that full stop out. As soon as we stopped out, we pulled right back into a signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 9 ticks heading into the lunchtime dead zone. Had we quit there for the day, things would have been good. Went through the dead zone. Again, with this option expiration, there tends to be an increased volatility, more so than normal. Coming out of the lunchtime dead zone, the market was trading down. The signal entry actually happened during the dead zone. We do not take any signals during that time. We wait until after 1:15. The market was pushing down. 2:30 reversal time kicked in. We had a signal to get long, only to get stopped out to the tick to see the market go on, and again would have hit targets 1 and targets 2. So 2 very unfortunate trades today. These are the ones that really hurt when you get stopped out on a full contract to the tick, only to see it hit T2. And earlier we took a T1 minus 2 that went on to hit T2. So 16 ticks given up just by the nature of where we keep our stops. But all in all, scratch back and forth, much ado about nothing. 7 trades, 4 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.